If your relationship is on the rocks, there is one fundamental question you've got to ask yourself. This question is so essential that it could determine the fate of your relationship. If you drift apart with clarity, or if you get stronger and come together. What's the question? Well, before I answer that, you got to first ask yourself, am I willing to be ruthlessly honest right now? Like ruthlessly honest with myself. Okay, now the question. And my wife taught me this after working with couples for so many years. Okay, she's a wizard with couples. Here's the question. Do we want the same type of relationship? Do we want the same type of relationship? All right, let me unpack that. There are three fundamental types of relationships. There's the careful relationship, where we just tiptoe around and not talk about difficult things. There's the carefree relationship or careless relationship, where we just want to have fun. It's more pleasure seeking. Let's just have a good time. Let's travel. Let's drink. Let's have sex. Let's just have fun. All right. That's the carefree or careless relationship. And then there's the caring relationship. And the caring relationship involves growth and development. It involves you becoming a bigger, better person through your marriage or through a long-term partnership. And honestly, not a lot of people want the third type, but it is the type, the only type that leads to long-term success in a relationship. You've got to be willing to look yourself in the mirror. You got to be able to work through conflict together. You got to deal with your challenges between you and all around you, right? That's a caring relationship. So back to the original question, do you want the same type of relationship? I don't know. But often relationships drift because one person A wants a caring relationship, and person B is like, can we just stop the drama and can we just have fun and not talk about difficult things and let's just kind of pretend it doesn't matter and move on. All right, there's a lot of people in that camp. And you can't succeed when you want a different relationship. So this is also good pre-wedding advice. Get very, very clear. Are we up for the long journey of climbing up Everest, going down Everest, and then going up K2, and then going down that mountain and crossing the Himalayas, right? This is a metaphor. Getting in a boat and traveling across the world together and living together 24/7 and dealing with our shit and working through conflict along the way. Do we really want to be in the same type? Like, we're going to actually do this? Or are you more interested in sitting on your ass and not lifting a finger to make this relationship good? Nice. Subscribe to my channel and more videos like this coming your way.